Hello everyone. In today's Sky Island profile, I'm going to be doing is a species of parrot that took on the role of scavenging, and they are the Carrion parrots, or Cerositacus, are a group of carnivorous, bald-headed, scavenging, vulture-like parrots, true parrots, from the lowland plains of Sky Island, and they are closely related to the martial parrot. Most colorful among the carrion eaters of Sky Island are the many and varied carrion parrots. Half a dozen species coexist on the island, exploiting a ready food source. Many of the Sky Island parrots are full-time carrion eaters, strong beaks, and naturally inquisitive nature make the partly featherless Rocarus carrion parrots that perfect candidates for the job. Their ancestors probably arrived on the island only a few million years ago. Their adaptations and diversification having occurred quickly in the evolutionary timescale. So we'll start with the four species. Fiery carrion parrot are one of the many members of the comprise Sky Island carrion parrots. Fiery carrion parrots possess hard, sharp beaks for the rendering flesh from carcasses and snapping small bones, which is far more efficient compared to many members of the genus. Like the rest of the carrion parrots, the fiery variety filled an ecological niche left by vultures, which are somewhat absent in the biosphere. Meaning, at some point there were vultures on Sky Island, and for some reason, either they have been outcompeted or driven to extinction altogether. In the absence of vultures, the carrion parrots fill the role as a flying scavengers, whereas the larger carrion parrots, larger carrion birds, filled the roles of ground scavengers. The fiery carrion parrots are the most brightly colored species, with their eye rings, with a sign of sexual maturity. It is unknown why these parrots became scavengers, given a large abundance of scavengers already filling the niche. The feathers of the fiery carrion parrot resemble the feathers of the scarlet macaw. This would probably be due to convergent evolution. Great carrion parrot. This carrion parrot is one of the largest all of them all, as they could reach 4 to 5 foot long wingspan, 1.2 or 1.5 meters. As an astonishment, the great carrion parrot is so named because it possesses the largest wingspan out of all the carrion parrots in the Sky Island. The wings of these parrots allow for more efficient gliding at greater heights, which is needed to giving that these carrion eaters must stay afloat for a long time to spot potential meal. As far as appearance goes, the great carrion parrot is noted for its black overcoat of feathers with dark crimson red undercoat, creating a striking appearance when flying overhead. Green carrion parrot. This one is the second biggest carrion parrot, just behind the great carrion parrot, as they have 3 or 4 feet long wingspan, 0.9 to 1.2 meters. As astonishment, the green carrion parrot is the number 2 as as far as size goes, possessing the second longest wingspan, and it is just slightly shorter than those of the great carrion parrot. Like its larger sibling, the green carrion parrot uses its large wings to soar through the sky, looking for potential meal for long periods of time. In contrast to the more dull-looking great carrion parrot, the green carrion parrot, as its name implies, is far more vibrant, possessing a very lush purple-green mixture in its color pattern. And last but not least, the red carrion parrot. The red carrion parrot, they are the smallest in the family, only having 26 or 30 inches long wingspan, 66 to 76 centimeters. As one of the smallest carrion parrots on Sky Island, the red carrion parrot is unable to soar as long or as high as its larger siblings. Rather, it uses its small size to quickly swoop in when food is available in order to gauge on its meal the first. Its small size and swift speed does give the red carrion parrot some defense against predators or competitors, but it also means that they are likely to be bullied off a catch. For its name implies, it is covered very with great hue of warm colors, although it is seen less red and more orange and yellow. And that's it for the 4 species of carrion parrots. It would seem that the vultures did did live on Sky Island for some time, but it is unknown what caused those vultures on Sky Island to become extinct. Either competition or climate change. Whatever caused the vultures to become extinct, we will never know about. Like and subscribe, and see you later, guys.